How to make Trader Joe's roasted garlic and pesto pizza with deep fried crust.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I have a special treat for you, Trader Joe's deep fried pizza. So in this video we're going to review Trader Joe's roasted garlic and pesto pizza with a deep fried pizza crust. And you heard me right, this is a deep fried pizza crust. This pizza is topped with 4 cheeses: burrata, mozzarella, provolone, and Parmigiano Reggiano. It seems that this pizza goes through a special fermentation process that lasts 3 to 4 days, and then it's deep fried. Nutrition facts on this pizza: 3 servings per container. I'll eat this whole thing by myself. Total fat 59 grams, saturated fat 29 grams, cholesterol 75 milligrams, sodium 2,670 milligrams, total carbs 129 grams, protein 50 grams. That should be your basic nutrition facts on this deep fried pizza.
This is what the pizza looks like pre-bake. Here we go, guys. Trader Joe's roasted garlic and pesto pizza with deep fried crust. Now let's see the crust on this pizza. It's soft. Let's see the bottom. Looks good. Alright, let's taste this pizza. Here's the slice. It's the bottom. It's from the side. There's the top again. Let's see what it tastes like. It's very tasty. Garlic, all the cheeses, pesto. And I am not a pesto guy, but this pizza is delicious. This fried dough is a winner in my opinion. It's delicious. Wow, I'm impressed by this pizza. By far the best pizza in Trader Joe's lineup right now. Very, very good pizza. On a frozen pizza scale, this is 5 out of 5, guys. This is a delicious, delicious pizza. I didn't think I was gonna like the pesto pizza, but this is a great combination. Roasted garlic pesto, 4 cheeses in a fried dough. What's not to like? Wow. Again, go down to Trader Joe's, get yourself this. It's delicious. You'll enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you.